In this video, I'm going to show you how to make automatic email replies on your Google Forms. So if you want to go and make it so that when someone submits your Google form, it automatically goes and sends them an email, then I'm going to show you how we can do this. Now the first thing is just to open up your form like so, and then you need to click on settings. Now click on the drop down next to responses and make sure collect email addresses is turned on. Now you can do this by setting it to responder input. And then once you've enabled this, click on these three vertical dots in the top right hand side, click on get add-ons, and then straight away you should see this app here called Mailmerge. Go and press install and click on continue. You'll then need to select your Google account and scroll down to the bottom and press allow. So you can then press done at the bottom of this page. And now what we can do is click on the add-ons button and press Mailmerge. Click on start. And then to set this up, you need to make sure send this email on a form submit. Make sure this is changed to yes. You can go and select the email account that you want to be sending these emails from. Now, typically this is just going to be your standard Gmail account. You can then go and set a custom subject title for the email. And you can also change your display name as well if you want to go and set a custom name. Then what we need to do is click on the edit button next to body template. And this is where you'll go and create your custom email. So this will be entirely down to personal preference, exactly what you want to write here. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to type hello so you can see what this looks like and press save. So now what we can do is go and press the send test button, and then you can just go and fill out your own form and make sure to fill out this field here called email, as this is where it's going to send the test email. So I'm going to go through all of the different options, and once you've filled out your form, press submit. So now what's going to happen is this person that submitted this form, they're going to receive this custom email that we just created. Now obviously you can go and customize this email to say exactly what you want, but that's how you go and set up automated emails in Google Forms.